Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to dropship on Mercari using a phone. Let's get started. First, understand dropshipping. Dropshipping means you can sell product without keeping them in stock. When someone buys from you, you order the item from a supplier and have it shipped directly to the buyer. To start, open the Mercari app on a phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, search for product from suppliers online like AliExpress or other trusted stores that ship to your country. Make sure the item is in stock and ships quickly. Once you find a product, tap on List an item on Mercari to create a listing. Add a clear title, descriptions, and photos. You can use the supplier's image, but make sure your description is clear and honest. Set a price higher than the supplier cost so you can earn a profit but keep it competitive compared to other sellers on Mercari. When a buyer purchases your item, order it from the supplier immediately and enter the buyer's address for shipping. Keep the buyers updated using Mercari's message system. This builds trust and ensures a smooth transactions. And that's it. By listing product, ordering from suppliers, and shipping directly to buyers, you can start drop shipping on Mercari using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.